E. First bite from item upon which bracha was made. One is required to eat at least the first bite from the food upon which the bracha was made. Okay. To illustrate, one selects an apple from a bowl of fruit, which was on the table. He makes it in his hand. He takes it in his hand and makes a bracha. Before he starts eating the apple, he sees another apple which looks more inviting than the one he selected. He may not at this point switch the apples. Rather, he must take at least the first bite from the apple which he was holding when he made the bracha. So that's, I think it's straightforward. So he was holding one item, and his kavanah initially, right? He looked at it, so was to eat it, right? And he said bracha, meaning that his intention that that's what I'm going to eat. Now he cannot switch. I mean, that is always b'diavad after the fact. If one was unable to make the first bite from the fruit he had selected, for example, it was damaged, rotten, etc. But at the time he made the bracha, he had intention to eat additional food. He may take the first bite from one of those items. Okay, so basically, actually, we learn in the laws of Shabbos in a case when the Kiddush cup fell and the wine spilled, right? So it says that you can pour from the bottle more into the cup because he was intending to drink more wine, and that's why it's like he made a blessing of that wine also. So there is no problem. So one more time, b'diavad, after the fact. So if he took a piece of grape and it was rotten, so he can take another one. For example, one who took few grapes, from the refrigerator, and after bracha and made the bracha, having in mind to eat more grapes, some minutes later, after making a bracha, he realized that the one he was holding were rotten. Okay, since he had intended to eat other grapes, he made b'diavad only after the fact. Take the first bite from the other ones. Okay. Furthermore, even if he did not have a specific intent to eat other items, but there were other foods before him, at the time he made bracha, he may take the first bite from those items. So that's b'diavad. It's not proper, but okay. After the fact, they're covered basically. In above example, if he selected grapes from a bowl of fruit, then discovered that they are rotten, he may take his first bite from any other fruit in a bowl before him.